Assalamu alaikum dear class. Today we will be discussing an interesting case study which is the impact of consumer behavior on the purchase decision of mobile phones in Pakistan. We will be discussing the case study of Huawei. Introduction. The mobile phone market in Pakistan is one of the most competitive and rapidly growing segment in consumer electronics industry. Consumers today supplied for choice with wide range of mobile phone brands, each offering unique features, pricing strategies and many more. This case study explores the impact of consumer behavior on the purchase decision of mobile phones in Pakistan, specifically focusing on the Huawei brand. Huawei, which is a global technology giant from China, has been significantly taken growth in the Pakistani mobile phone market over the years. However, like other brands, it faces numerous challenges and competitions from the established players such as Samsung, Apple, and other local brands like Q Mobile. Understanding the factors influencing the consumer behavior is crucial for Huawei to enhance its market share and brand loyalty. This study delves into the various factors that shape consumer behavior when purchasing the mobile phone, including price sensitivity, brand loyalty, product features, social influences, and the marketing strategies. The goal is to determine how these factors impact the purchasing decisions of Pakistani consumers and how Huawei can either tailor its marketing strategies to align with those behaviors. Consumer behavior and its influence on purchase decision. Let us discuss in detail. The consumer behavior refers to the buying decisions and action of individuals while purchasing the product or services. It includes various psychological, social, and economic factors that influence the decision making process. In the context of mobile phones, these factors can be categorized into further broad categories. First of all comes the psychological factors, which is perception and attitudes. Consumer often have perceptions about the certain brands based on their past experiences, advertisements, and word of mouth recommendations. For example, Huawei has built a reputation for offering higher quality mobiles at competitive prices, which influence the consumer perception positively. Number second factor is motivation. In the industry of mobile phone, consumers are motivated by various needs such as functionality, connectivity, social status, and aesthetics. The need for the latest technology, improved camera quality, and better battery life are significant motivating factors. Number second comes the social factors, which includes family and peer influence. For example, consumers are influenced by the recommendations from the family members and peers. In Pakistan, the social circle plays an essential role in decision making. For example, if a peer group or family member has a positive experience with Huawei, this might increase the likelihood of a new consumer choosing Huawei as well. Third comes the cultural norms. Mobile phones are often seen as a status of symbol in Pakistan, particularly among the younger consumers. The brand reputation for the innovation and quality can be deciding factor for consumers who wish to project a modern and a trendy image. Number third is economic factors, which includes price sensitivity. In Pakistan, the price sensitivity is a significant determinant of consumer behavior. Huawei's ability to offer high quality mobile phones at lower price is compared to the competitors like Samsung and Apple has made it an attractive option for budget conscious consumers. Then comes the factor of income level. The consumers from middle and lower income group are often more concerned about the price to performance ratio when choosing a mobile phone. Huawei has positioned itself well in the segment by offering smartphone with advanced features at competitive prices. The number fourth point is personal factors, which includes age and lifestyle. Younger consumers, particularly millennials and Generation Z, are more likely to opt for mobile phones with cutting edge technology and sleek designs and high quality cameras, etc. Huawei's marketing strategy often target this demographic with a feature that appeals social media enthusiasts and technology lovers. Then comes brand loyalty. Once the consumer develops the positive experience with the brand, they are more likely to become a repeated consumer. Huawei focus on providing quality and service that has helped to build the loyal customer based in Pakistan. Now, we can discuss the marketing research combined with Huawei strategy. To gain insights into consumer behavior and optimize its marketing positioning, Huawei has employed a mix of marketing research methods. This includes survey, focus group discussion, and consumer feedback analysis. Based on the findings, Huawei has tailored its marketing strategies to cater the specific need of Pakistani consumers. Number 1, product features including smartphone camera quality. One of the main factors driving the purchase of mobile phone in Pakistan is the quality of camera, because social media being an integral part of Pakistani youth culture, having a good camera is an essential for many consumers. Huawei emphasized on the advanced camera technology such as Leica cameras has helped the brand to stand out. Number second feature can be the battery life and performance. Huawei focused on enhancing the battery life, which is the top of concern for many consumers. The brand's longer battery life, fast charging technology, and performance focused processors have made it popular among the tech savvy users. Then comes the pricing strategy. First of all, we will discuss the price range. One of the Huawei's key selling points is its ability to offer competitive pricing without compromising on the quality. In Pakistan, where the price sensitivity is high, Huawei's affordability has allowed it to tap into the larger consumer base, particularly in the mid-range segment. Then come promotion and discounts. Huawei frequently runs the promotion campaigns offering discounts and bundling deals such as strategies. Such strategies are highly effective in Pakistan market, where the price conscious consumers are attracted to the value for money offers. Third point is advertising and branding. First comes influencer marketing. Huawei leverages the social media influences and celebrities to promote its products. In Pakistan, where the social media consumption is on one rise, this strategy has proven effective in reaching the younger consumers. Then comes localized marketing. Huawei tailors its advertisement and campaigns to align with the local culture and values. For example, highlighting how its smartphones can help users to stay connected with family and friends, for showcasing the mobile phone's role in professional life. Then comes the distribution channels. Huawei has expanded its presence through partnership with local retailers, ensuring its phones are available in major cities and towns. In addition, the Huawei has invested in building own stores and high demand areas, enhancing the consumer experience. Then comes the online sales. With the growth of e-commerce in Pakistan, Huawei has focused on strengthening the online presence. It has partnered with local e-commerce platforms such as Daraz.pk to increase the accessibility for online shoppers. Now we will discuss some challenges. While the Huawei has been a significant success in Pakistan, it faces several challenges that could present an impact on market position. First comes the competition. The Pakistani mobile phone market is highly competitive, with the brands like Samsung, Apple, Vivo dominating the landscape. Huawei must continually innovate to differentiate itself and maintain the market share. Then comes the point of economic uncertainty. The fluctuating economic condition in Pakistan, including inflation and current devaluation of currency, poses challenges for all the mobile phone brands, including Huawei. These factors can affect the purchasing behavior of consumers and their impact for higher end demand for the devices. Then comes the point of brand perception. While the Huawei has made substantial progress in Pakistan, it still faces some challenges in overcoming the perceptions related to its Chinese origin. Despite its high quality offering, political and trade tensions between the countries can sometimes affect the perception of Huawei among Pakistan consumers. However, there are significant opportunities for Huawei to expand its footprint in Pakistan. Growth of the middle class consumer. While the rise of Pakistan middle class, more consumers are seeking quality mobile phones at affordable prices. Huawei is a well positioned to cater the growing demographic. Then comes the point of 5G technology. As a 5G technology begins to roll out in Pakistan, the Huawei's leadership in 5G equipment can leverage to position itself as a market leader in the next generation of mobile technology. Now let us come toward the conclusion of the whole today's agenda. In conclusion, understanding the consumer behavior in Pakistan is critical for the Huawei's continued success in market. The company has effectively used market research to develop the products that resonate with Pakistani consumers, focusing on camera quality, battery life, and pricing. Through the strategic advertising, pricing, and distribution channels, Huawei has managed to carve out a significant market share in Pakistan's competitive mobile phone sector. However, the company must continue to monitor the consumer behavior trends, adapt to the changing economic conditions, and address challenges related to the competition and brand perception. With the right strategies, Huawei has potential to strengthen its presence in Pakistan and tap into the growing demand of mobile phones. So, class, let us discuss the key takeaways of today's lecture. The Huawei case study in Pakistan emphasizes the importance of marketing research in understanding the consumer behavior, preferences, and market dynamics. Huawei's success was driven by its ability to identify the key consumer needs, such as camera quality, battery life, and affordable pricing, which informed the product development and pricing strategies. Through market segmentation, Huawei has targeted specific consumer groups, particularly the tech savvy youth, and used social media influencers, word of mouth, and influencer marketing to build the brand trust. The company's localization efforts and cultural sensitivity help tailor the product and marketing messages to the local market. By continuously gathering the consumer feedback and monitoring the competitors, Huawei stayed agile, adjusted its strategies, and differentiated itself in a competitive market. This case highlights the crucial role of research in defining business decisions and maintaining and sustaining the competitive edge. I hope you all have understood the role and importance of marketing research in today's lecture. That's all for today's agenda. We will be back in next session with some interesting topics regarding to the marketing research. Till then, take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.